Some of the world's largest factories rise so quickly, their construction outpaces entire cities, leaving even experienced engineers questioning how such speed becomes possible. Hidden behind extraordinary speed lies an industrial system where precision, planning, and relentless coordination replace traditional construction methods almost completely across every stage. Before the first machine even arrives, thousands of invisible decisions quietly determine whether an enormous gigafactory finishes months ahead of schedule or fails. Every record-breaking project begins with selecting land capable of supporting millions of square feet while removing the saves. Geological investigations reveal hidden underground conditions that influence every structural decision. From foundation depth, construction teams reshape the landscape long before buildings appear, creating perfectly engineered surfaces capable of supporting unimaginable industrial weight for decades ahead. Gigafactories demand utility systems as impressive as their buildings, requiring immense networks of electricity, water. Instead of following traditional timelines, engineers divide every operation into overlapping phases that eliminate unnecessary work. Every hour saved during early preparation creates powerful momentum, allowing later construction stages to accelerate. The greatest surprise is not the factory's enormous size, but how every construction sequence has already been optimized before physical work even begins. Digital twins transform planning into a living system, where every structural component exists virtually before arriving at the construction site, with remarkable accuracy.
Every beam, column, and connection receives precise scheduling that eliminates costly conflicts, while keeping thousands of workers.
Artificial intelligence continuously analyzes construction progress, predicting delays before they happen, and recommending immediate adjustments that preserve. Thousands of deliveries must arrive exactly when needed, preventing expensive congestion while ensuring no installation crew ever waits for critical structural components. Instead of storing materials for months, construction sites increasingly function like synchronized assembly lines where timing becomes the most valuable engineering resource available. Massive prefabricated modules arrive nearly complete, dramatically reducing field labor while compressing construction schedules that once required many additional months to
bonus 4 hours. Factory-built components deliver exceptional consistency because controlled manufacturing environments eliminate many unpredictable.
Carefully engineered transportation strategies allow gigantic structural sections to travel safe highways before reaching precision. Every completed module instantly becomes part of a rapidly expanding industrial ecosystem, revealing astonishing. What appears effortless from above actually depends upon countless synchronized operations where every second saved strengthens the entire construction system moving forward together. Construction enters its fastest phase as enormous modular sections arrive continuously, allowing multiple structural zones to arrive. Every structural connection is engineered for rapid installation, reducing complex field assembly into carefully coordinated links. Instead of slowing progress, simultaneous construction across separate zones creates unstoppable momentum that transforms. Steel megastructures rise floor after floor because every component reaches the exact location exactly when installation teams become ready to receive it. Traditional storage yards disappear as materials move directly from delivery vehicles into permanent positions without wasting valuable construction space or precious working hours. Beneath the visible structure, thousands of coordinated installations quietly prepare future production systems. Every completed section immediately supports the next operation, creating uninterrupted workflows that eliminate unnecessary. Advanced lifting strategies allow incredibly heavy assemblies to move safely overhead while surrounding teams continue working below without disrupting construction productivity or efficiency. Precision manufacturing eliminates countless adjustments because every fabricated component arrives matching exact dimensions requirements. Construction speed accelerates further once repetitive structural tasks become standardized, allowing experienced crews to install increasingly larger sections. Behind remarkable progress, artificial intelligence constantly balances deliveries, equipment availability, and workforce allocation. Every arriving shipment follows an optimized route that minimizes congestion while maximizing continuous material flow throughout the. Smart logistics transform complex supply chains into predictable systems where thousands of components reach installation teams exactly when construction sequences demand their arrival. Even unexpected disruptions become manageable because predictive software continuously recommends faster alternatives before visible delays begin affecting project completion targets and schedules. While cranes dominate the skyline, invisible software quietly orchestrates every movement, transforming thousands of individuals. The next breakthrough emerges as robotic assembly systems begin performing repetitive installation work with extraordinary consistency and precision. Automation reduces physically demanding tasks, allowing skilled workers to focus on complex engineering decisions requiring those. Gigafactory construction increasingly resembles advanced manufacturing, where machines and people operate together inside carefully synchronous. Every automated process shortens construction timelines while improving precision, creating measurable advantages that compound rapidly across ways. What once required years now advances in months, because intelligent coordination transforms construction into an
robotic assembly begins transforming the construction site into a highly synchronized production environment where repetitive tasks advance with unmatched precision every single hour. Instead of replacing workers, intelligent machines handle demanding physical labor while experienced specialists supervise quality.
Every automated workstation increases consistency because machines repeat identical movements with remarkable accuracy throughout continuous codes. Construction accelerates dramatically once robotics, logistics, and modular engineering begin functioning together as one is. Sophisticated automation allows construction crews to complete larger sections each day while maintaining strict engineering tolerances across pillars. The enormous building expands rapidly because every completed system immediately supports the installation of increasingly advanced. Massive overhead cranes become permanent construction partners, transporting extraordinary loads efficiently across growing production spaces with exceptional operational precision every working shift. Hidden mechanical systems quietly spread throughout the structure, preparing future manufacturing operations long before the first production line officially becomes operational inside. Thousands of sensors become permanently embedded throughout the facility, creating a digital nervous system capable of monitoring every critical industrial process continuously ahead. Sages. Every newly installed system undergoes immediate verification, ensuring construction quality remains uncompromised.
Beyond visible progress, supply chains operate continuously across continents, feeding construction with perfectly timed.
Every shipment follows carefully optimized routes that minimize transportation delays while maximizing uninterrupted construction progress. Artificial intelligence constantly predicts changing material demand, allowing procurement systems to respond before shortages threaten construction schedules. Modern gigafactory construction succeeds because manufacturing, transportation, and engineering function together as one. The factory's incredible pace depends upon countless synchronized decisions, each contributing quietly toward extraordinary. As production areas near completion, installation shifts toward sophisticated manufacturing equipment, requiring exceptional sips. Every successful installation unlocks the next construction milestone, creating relentless momentum that steadily Construction teams now focus on integrating intelligent systems capable of supporting continuous automated manufacturing immediately after the building officially reaches final completion. Advanced commissioning procedures verify thousands of interconnected systems before manufacturing begins, ensuring extraordinary reliability.
The greatest engineering achievement is not simply building faster, but creating an intelligent industrial ecosystem.
Construction enters its final transformation as advanced manufacturing systems gradually replace heavy structural equipment across the enormous industrial complex with remarkable efficiency. Gigantic robotic production cells arrive carefully assembled, allowing installation teams to activate entire manufacturing phones. Engineers carefully synchronize electrical, mechanical, and digital infrastructure before automated production equipment receives power. Every completed subsystem immediately undergoes validation, ensuring the enormous manufacturing ecosystem operates. Massive conveyor systems connect distant production areas, allowing materials to travel continuously through the factory without interrupting highly optimized manufacturing operations ahead. Thousands of industrial robots receive precise calibration, preparing coordinated manufacturing movements that will soon operate around the clock with
Advanced monitoring systems continuously evaluate equipment performance, allowing engineers to identify potential issues.
As commissioning progresses, every successful equipment test brings the giant factory closer to becoming one of the world's most. The immense structure now functions as a unified industrial organism where robotics, automation, and infrastructure operate. Outside the building, logistics networks continue expanding because uninterrupted manufacturing depends upon constant deliveries from global suppliers.
Dedicated rail lines and distribution centers, supply chains, allowing enormous production.
Energy infrastructure quietly powers every industrial operation, supporting continuous automated production while maintaining exceptional efficiency across the enormous manufacturing campus each day. Sustainability systems reduce resource consumption through intelligent monitoring, making modern gigafactories faster to build and more efficient throughout decades of industrial operation ahead.
Automated inspection technologies continuously verify structural integrity,
Construction officially concludes only after thousands of integrated systems demonstrate flawless coordination under realistic operating conditions throughout the complete manufacturing ecosystem together.
The once empty landscape now supports one of humanity's most sophisticated industrial achievements, completed through extraordinary.
Every construction milestone leaves behind valuable engineering knowledge that continuously improves future Gigafactory projects.
Modern construction no longer depends solely upon physical labor, because intelligent planning now shapes every decision before equipment even reaches the project site today.
Record-breaking construction speed ultimately reflects perfect synchronization between technology, engineering expertise.
Yet the next generation of gigafactories may rise even faster, reshaping how humanity builds the completed gigafactory now produces advanced technologies while demonstrating how revolutionary construction methods redefine industrial development across the modern world today. Every finished production line reflects years of engineering innovation compressed into an astonishingly short construction timeline through intelligent planning and flawless execution together. Communities surrounding these enormous facilities experience rapid economic growth as advanced manufacturing creates thousands of skilled careers and supporting industrial opportunities nearby. Global competition continues driving faster construction because every month saved delivers significant manufacturing advantages within rapidly evolving international technology markets and industries. Future projects will rely even more upon robotics, artificial intelligence, and modular engineering to achieve unprecedented construction speed.
Sustainable construction strategies ensure tomorrow's gigafactories consume fewer resources while delivering greater manufacturing
agents. The remarkable construction journey proves extraordinary engineering achievements emerge when technology, coordination, every completed gigafactory becomes a blueprint inspiring future infrastructure projects seeking faster delivery without sacrificing engineering. Innovations developed during construction often spread far beyond manufacturing, influencing airports, data centers, hospitals, and countless.
Behind every record-breaking project stands an invisible network of engineers, solving engineers.
Construction speed no longer depends solely upon machinery, because intelligent information now guides nearly every decision from planning through final industrial commissioning together.
Tomorrow's industrial may assemble themselves through autonomous machines operating with minimal intervention while maintaining exceptional engineering.
As technology evolves, construction timelines once considered impossible may soon become the expected standard. Greatest lesson is that preparation, coordination, and innovation together accomplish what overwhelming construction scale alone could never successfully achieve for humanity.
Every remarkable engineering achievement begins with one bold vision, supported by thousands of synchronized decisions.
The future belongs to construction systems capable of building larger, smarter, and faster industrial facilities while continuously improving efficiency through intelligent automation every year.
What extraordinary industrial project should engineers attempt next, after mastering construction speed even impossible across? If this engineering journey changed your perspective, explore more groundbreaking construction stories shaping the future of technology.
Another incredible engineering breakthrough is already taking shape beyond the horizon, waiting to redefine how humanity builds the future once again together ahead.